Hi guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle. Not in today's newspaper of Monday, no, Monday, December the 27th, 2021. I told you there are no extra puzzles in today's newspaper. No, it's the edition of Monday, December the 20th, 2021. Yes, a week ago, I've a puzzle not completed. An additional, not a completed, and I've already solved two puzzles. The letter Sudoku I've just solved, and the 2-star Sudoku, and now it's time for the Tectonic with 1 star. Yes, 1 star Tectonic, and this will be number. This will be number 3892. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because for a 1-star puzzle I need to be faster. Yeah, faster than 50 minutes. We will see. All right, so let's get started. The first question is to you. Can we see here the single box? I see here a single box, but here also a single box. Single box is always a 1. All right. Dual boxes, I see here a dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. Well, I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. Dual box. Here another dual box. Do not know in which order. So let me mark those 2 boxes. More dual boxes? No. Triple boxes. I see here the triple box. It contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, I see here 1. So this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. And remember, if you see a triple box, the inside box, this box, the inside box, near the middle box, it's always 4 or a 5. Well, we already have a 4 here, so this box should be a 5. Okay. Triple box. Do we have more triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes. I see here a quadra box. I cannot fill this here yet. Here another quadra box. Well, I see here we have a 3 here, so these 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left in this quadra box for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. Here another quadra box, 1 and a 4, so 2 numbers left, the 2 and the 3. Well, I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. All right. More quadra boxes? No. Here quadra box, there, here. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures, or constructions. For example, the T shape. Upside down the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. Alright, here we have a T shape. Remember, if you see the T shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. That box, yeah. So in this case, it's a 3. Okay, and that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. T shapes, more? No. L shape. We have an L shape, mirrored, rotated. Let me draw this here. If you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, then the following shape here. Another shape. Let me draw this there. Okay. This shape. If you see this kind of shape. Oh, wait. This box has the same number as that box. If you see this kind of shape, this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape or no? No. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 of them. Yeah, I cannot see other figures or shapes that you need to recognize. Only 3 in this puzzle. There are more, but not in this puzzle. This puzzle has 3 shapes or figures that you need to recognize. Why you need to recognize? Because the next step, it's easy for filling the numbers. So let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Well, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 1, double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. As a pair, 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. We have a 1 here. So no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Okay. Then these 2 boxes can be 1. Those 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box will be a 1 and this box will be a 2. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Okay. Then, this box cannot be a 2, that box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2, 1 or a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 there. That box can also not be a 1 or a 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 2. So the other pair in this T-shaped area should be the 4 and the 5, 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. And this box is also connected with that box, should be also 4 and 5. So in this area we have a pair 4 and 5. So what are the other pair? What is the other 2 numbers in this area? Should be the 2 and the 3. 2 and the 3, 2 and the 3. Okay. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 4 goes and there. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5 in this T shape. So this box, 1 digit left should be the 4. Okay, 4 and a 5. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. And that box is connected with this box, should be also number 4. Okay, now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4 and this box will be a 3. 1 and a 2, 2 and a 3, 2 and a 3. Okay, these 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Well, this box can be a 3 because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So it's not the solution to place the 3 here. The 3 should be there. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be there. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 4. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Okay. Then this box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. And this box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair in this area. 1 and a 2, 1 and 2. So 1 box left in this area for the number 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a 2 here. And those 2 boxes cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 there. So this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. Alright, these 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this corner box for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there. No 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there. So this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 5. Yeah. Then. Let me see. 1, 2. Well, I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be a 2, can be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Told you. Need to be faster than 50 minutes, so it's an easy one. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. Yes, few days to go in 2021. Until then, bye bye for now.